other than Islam, you fall into problems.
Yeah. Allah said that in Quran, وَمَنْ يَتَوَلَّهُ مِنْكُمْ فَإِنَّهُمْ مِنْهُمْ. Mean, who followed them, he's one of them.
Yes. Look, there's a hadith of the Prophet that goes, there will be a time in my ummah when the Muslims will follow them handspan by handspan. Even if they have to enter the hole of the lizards, even if they have to enter the hole of the lizard, the Muslims will follow. Do you understand the significance of this?
Sure.
So all we do, our role model should be Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But no, we don't have a role model. Our yardstick, our manual for life, our yardstick should be Islam and Quran.